Here's your Kia Sorento. With everything out. Engine out. Ooh, this thing's been taken apart. It's got the Kia Sorento interior. Definitely Sorento 11. This guy's 11. There's a rear. Got it out. There's all your rear suspension. Sensor, rear sensor. Shit, this car's been gutted. And let's see here. Looks like this heater, transmission, no, AC heater from the rad, brake booster, firewall harness, and here's the control comes here, runs along the bottom. Branches out, up here, along that line, comes here, and it goes right into the firewall. Branches out here, I don't know if this is in there. And that goes somewhere in there. Hard to see where that line is. Somewhere back there. I wanted to test the ESC mail terminals with the circuit closed. The circuit closed, I'd have to take apart this brake, anti-lock brake system. I think I'd have to bleed brake fluid too. Yeah, because this master cylinder loops around back this way and this way. So brake fluid I'll have to drain out just to test this terminal. Just to test these male terminals. The male terminal receives a signal from this harness from the fuses. And the fuse, yeah, I can't find the path. Oh, here's a fuse path. Yeah, there's a fuse box. Runs down that way. Here, runs down this way. And back around. Here, goes here. And back to the ESC, and it probably gives it the brake, the ESC module, whatever. The brake booster, the brake, the ABS hub, the electric current with the sensors or something, and then it comes back out to the sensors individually. So this guy gets his power from this line, from the fuses. That's what it looks like.